What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Brianna. We're back with another banger. So today we're doing a challenge. Well, not me. Can my guests come in? We have Sophia.
Did she just say my name?
Well, isn't that your name? Then we have Kelly.
You guys say Team Sophia already.
So let me tell y'all what they did. Well, what they did. So they're doing the ice challenge. Not twitching my hair, I'm eating, y'all. So basically, like, flip the bottle. If they landed, they save. If they don't land it, the ice go inside their pants. Woo!
I'm gonna win. He's gonna win.
We're gonna pray.
La petty. So
Team Kelly,
say Team Sophia.
Well, I feel like Kelly's gonna win, y'all, because she can't flip a bottle for nothing. To save her life. I'm sorry.
Okay, let's see. Let's bet.
I guess we're gonna see.
Let's bet.
I guess we're gonna see.
I know I'm gonna win.
Alright, we'll see y'all when it starts. No. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, my one. Hold on, sorry.
Oh, yes.
Round 2.
No, come back.
Okay, babe, you hold it in your hand.
Oh, no.
Mommy. Okay.
Hi guys, so I guess the challenge is over. My mom lost. Kelly won.
Yes.
She dropped the ice all over the floor. She took out her pants every cut of the video. But I come get my money.
Yeah, my money. Give me my
So
money.
like, comment,
Come on.
share, and hit the subscribe button.
No.
You're not gonna see it.
No, Esty. Come on.
And yeah, so we see y'all
Move, guys, move.
next time. Bye.